I thought I was only leaving for the summer. Then I realized I couldn't take everything with me. Some students went home. Some started internships. Others moved to another apartment. Everyone had a different plan. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. We share moving tips for international students across the US. The UC Moving Kit made packing easy. Everything I needed arrived in one delivery. After packing, premium pickup came directly to my apartment. No truck. No heavy lifting. Since I wasn't moving back right away, I stored my belongings safely. Some of my friends moved to another state. UC Moving handled that too. When it was finally time to go home, international shipping made everything simple. Looking back, moving wasn't stressful. I just needed the right service. Whether you're leaving UCLA for the summer, moving to another state, or going home, UC Moving is ready to help. Move smarter from the start. UC Moving.